The Realityworks Pharmacology Activity Kit combines a complete 12-lesson curriculum with hands-on whiteboard activities, worksheets, and quizzes to help secondary and post-secondary learners truly understand how drugs work. Inside the Pharmacology Activity Kit, you'll find everything you need to deliver a full 12-hour pharmacology unit. Each of the 12 lessons focuses on a major concept or body system. The curriculum includes lesson plans, student worksheets, slide presentations, and quizzes, along with a whiteboard-based activities and laminated overlays that make it easy to visualize mechanisms, pathways, and drug effects. The Realityworks Pharmacology Activity Kit gives you a complete, hands-on curriculum to build those skills in your health science programs. To learn more, view sample lessons, or request a demo, visit realityworks.com or contact your local account manager.